See here, we'll see the step-by-step installation of cypress. So what is nodejs? So nodejs is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Okay, so like if you want to run your any JavaScript based application now, so you need nodejs. Okay, and the nodejs runs the v like version 8 JavaScript engine here, and nodejs execute the JavaScript code outside a web browser. So like before we install this cypress, nodejs should be there in our system. Okay, so if someone asks to you in the interview what is nodejs, so you can say that nodejs is an open source and cross platform JavaScript runtime environment. This is the main thing you should know. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So like first of all you need to install the nodejs using this command. Go to this site nodejs.org and download.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just go there and click on this Windows installer. If I am just okay, 1 second. Shweta, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can download here Node.js. Okay, so if your system having 32-bit or 64-bit, you can choose accordingly. If someone having 64-bit, click here 64-bit.
Yeah.
So it's install here. Okay, click and install here from here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are doing simultaneously or not? Like I'm asking.
So should I do that or I will do it later or
Yeah,
should I do
it
that?
will be good if you are doing right now. Whatever error you are facing, you can share with me now.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah, you can just share me and let me know what you are doing. Because see, I'll just tell you what. See, first of all, we need to install Node.js. Okay, then we have to set the
Yeah.
environment path. Okay, we have to set the environment path. Like,
Okay, wait.
yeah, you know how to set the environment path.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you have done for Java, correct? While doing Selenium.
Yeah.
Same as we have to do for
Yes.
this Node.js also. Okay, then second thing we need to install Visual Studio Code using this website code.visualstudio.com. Got it?
Visual Studio. Yeah. That Node.js will get installed, but I think this Visual Studio might get error while installed. Okay.
You
So shall I do it now or
okay? You
what?
do later on and let me know if you have stuck somewhere else. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, fine.
got it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. After installing Node.js, I need to download this now.
Yeah, Visual
Visual
Studio
Studio.
to write your code.
Okay.
Right? Now after this, like
Yeah.
you have to like first you have to create one package.json file. So what is package.json file? So the package.json file is the heart of any node project. It records important metadata related to project and it is used for managing the dependencies. So basically package.json, first we need to create package.json before Cypress. So it manages all the dependency used for the Cypress or any project. Okay.
Okay.
So first you require to download Node.js, then set the environment path, then install the your Visual Studio Code, and then you have to create one package.json file. So like you have one command here, npm I package.json. Can you see here? npm I and init.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So you just create. You just
Yeah.
if suppose if I'm sharing with you this class I'm having. Suppose if I go there. So I already have that one. Package.json file I already have. I just if I go and just npm I and init. If you give this command now, so the package.json file will create it in your file. What is like this?
Okay.
I already created that one. See this file. This file contains the metadata of Cypress, name, Cypress training, whatever the folder I'm using, version, discrepancy, main, script, test, author, license, dependency, and this one is for Cypress Cucumber BDD. Okay, dependency like
Okay.
whatever dependency I needed now in further framework and all, I just put here in this JSON file. So it manages all the dependencies.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you just note down the how to install. Like which command we are using
Yes.
right now. Yeah, this one. Okay, then afterward, like you have after once you have a Cypress dot package.json file, then you need to have Cypress installed in your system. Okay, so to Cypress install, there is one command npm. Npm stand for Node Package Manager. Okay, so install Cypress hyphen hyphen save dev. So why we are using save dev, So in package.json we have some entries, and to read that entries or record, we use this save dev. Got it, Shweta?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So this will fetch the latest version of Cypress that can be downloaded. Okay. And
Okay.
second thing, like whatever the Cypress we install, so that Cypress come under this node module slash dot bin Cypress. We can use this command to open the Cypress runner. So if you want to open, then you can use node module bin. Instead of that shortcut, you can also use npx cypress open. So it will create one Cypress test runner for you. For example, I'll take one example for you. So I'm having this. I just write here npx. Npx means node package executor. Cypress open.
Okay.
So test runner get open, and all the files. See in the left hand side, all have my having file is there. So all the files get open in that test runner, and whichever file I want to execute, I can execute it one by one.
It gets open or not?
Yeah, it's opening. It takes time.
Okay.
One second, because 1 second, it's taking time. Yeah, it's open now. See, you will get this new one. When you install now Cypress, you will get the version 10, more than version 10. So you will get two, like once you give command npx Cypress open, you will get one screen like if we call test runner. So in that test
Okay.
runner, you will get two here like into E testing and component testing. Click on E2E testing. Okay, now in this by default you can use Chrome, Edge, Electron, whichever you want. Like in my case, if I want Electron, then I use Electron. Start end-to-end testing in Electron.
What is electron? What is browser?
See, see right now I'm using this Cucumber BTD. So this features file is I'm getting
Okay.
here. So I don't want to switch here this. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my Cypress config.js file. So like I want this JS file path I want. So I just uncomment it. Okay, and again I just stop here. End-to-end testing, E2E testing. Start E2E testing in Electron mode.
What is what is that electron?
It's
That
a
is
it's a browser.
browser or
It's a browser
okay.
like
So
Chrome,
we
Edge.
have to use that only, or we can use
No, no, no.
Chrome?
You can use
Okay.
Firefox. We can use Chrome. We can use like Electron, Edge. So I'm not having
Okay.
Firefox right now in my PC. So that's why the option is not getting. If I'm having Firefox, then that option also getting displayed.
Okay.
So yeah, see, these are my test scripts. So this is basically test runner. Got it?
Yeah.
See, this is the npm and npx. Okay, so like, what is npm is a tool that used to install packages, and npx is the tool that used to execute packages. See the difference between this one, okay? So whenever you want to install some packages now from Node.js, you just type npm, and whatever the packages already installed into your system, you want to execute that one, you use npx. So npm stand for Node Package Manager, and npx stand for Node Package Executor. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is like all the setup have if all the setup has been completed or not, so you have to run using some test cases. Okay. So for example, so instead of E2E folder name, I just keep integration to folder. What happened? Once you get Cypress now, you will get this folder automatically, or by default you will get this fixture and integration folder. You will get it. Okay. So now if you using a
Okay.
version more than 10 na, so instead of integration you will get E2E folder name.
Okay.
Okay, so I have changed that E2E. I just kept as integration only. So under the integration, I'll just put
Hmm.
some my JS files. Okay, so I'll just write here September test 01.js file. It's my new file. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just I want to open. Suppose, okay, before that, to get this, you have to write on this Cypress reference types equal to Cypress. Reference type. Why I'm writing this one, when I put describe here na, so I'm getting this describe command from this. I'm getting actually suggestion. So describe is a mocha framework. We are just using mocha framework here, and describe is a collection of test suite. Describe a collection of test suits. Shweta, you're getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now I am using callback function. Under this describe, I'm having one test case. Suppose test case number is 1. Okay, and I want to open, suppose,
So this,
yeah. So basically, describe is a collection of test suite. Means it is a test case, single test case. So if I'm having 100 test cases, so I can write inside this describe test suite. It again test 02.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, like this. Okay. So right now I want to just open the Google page. So what I'll do here? So this is one command here. Visit.
So basically, this is a syntax for writing script in Java. I mean, in
In
Cypress.
JavaScript. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So basically, this
Yeah.
describe and it is a Mocha framework we are using, and we design this one. Okay. So if I want to run this one, go to test runner and see where is your file. September something. Yeah. See your page get open here.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So this one is basic installation process, like how to install Node.js, how to install vscode, how to set the path, environment path, how to create package.json file, how to install Cypress, which command we are using for Cypress, and how to run that one. So in the next lecture, we'll see like what are the types of locators we are using in Cypress. So basically, we are using two types of locator in Cypress. One is like CSS selector by default only, and for to use XPath, we require some plugins. Because by default XPath is not there in Cypress, so we have to install some plugins for to run XPath.
Okay.
Okay. So what you do, Shweta, just after this class, you just have your setup ready. Node.js, VS
Yeah.
Code, Cypress. Okay, this thing should be ready, to get.
Yeah.
So what's your class?
Uh,
One second, I'll just stop sharing here now.